everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In today's video, let me teach you on how to create unlimited Gmail accounts without phone number. Let's start this tutorial by opening a Chrome web browser on your computer. Next, search for Google Cloud Skill Boost. Now sign in with a Google account. Now read the terms of service, and if prompted, add your birthday, and then click on it. I'm not a robot to complete the captcha verification. Click on I accept to proceed. Once you're in the main page of Google Cloud, then go over to Explore section above. Now look for Format section and click on the lab. Next, look for the A tour of Google Cloud Sustainability and open it. After that, click on Start Lab button. It will show you a Google account such as a username, password, and project ID. With this account, you have now a new Gmail account. Let's try this one on a YouTube account. Open YouTube website and then click on your profile icon on the upper right corner. Click Switch Account and then click Add Account. And here, enter the username shown on the Google Cloud and then click Next button. After that, enter the password and then click Next below. Wait for a while to finish signing in. And once done, you can now use the Gmail with YouTube. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.